Are you curious what's new with the camera app on iOS 26? Whether you're a casual snapper or someone who loves to get creative, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of the camera app on iOS 26. So let's get started. Step 1. Swipe through camera modes. First, open up the camera app. Swipe through camera modes. The familiar swipe UI is still here, but smoother than before. The different kinds of modes for you to swipe through, like photo, video, cinematic, slow-mo, and some more. Step 2. Manual controls and quick settings. Tap the 6-dot menu at the top or swipe up in photo mode to access flash, night mode, exposure, timer, filters, or aspect ratio. Step 3. Zoom and lenses. Tap between lenses 0.5x, 1x, or 3x, or pinch to zoom. iOS 26 adds smoother transitions and improves digital zoom quality. Step 4. Capture photos and videos. Tap the shutter button to take a photo. Press and hold it for quick take video. Swipe left while holding the button to shoot in burst mode. Step 5. Live text and visual lookup. Point the camera at any text or object. Tap the live text icon to copy, translate, or search instantly. Use visual lookup for animals, landmarks, plants, and more. And that's how you can take full advantage of the camera app on iOS 26. So go ahead, explore these features, and turn your iPhone into your favorite camera. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more iOS tips.